Hello retro games and collectors, and welcome to another Amiga video. In this one we're playing the ultimate version Turrican on the Amiga, which is a cracking game. I know this is on the, I can't remember, I'm pretty sure this is on the Sega Saturn. I can't remember if it's on the Sega Saturn, Japanese version. Probably getting it wrong. I know it's on the Super Nintendo as this, and that's on the Atari ST. So let's get cracking with this. And enjoy the music. Going out and play this for ages. Oh, can't get it. Yeah. No! Oh, I can't even get it. Alright, forget about it. Okay, do it. That one. Do. Jump! Oh, bloody hell, rocks. Leg it. Oh, sugar. Ah, that was quick. Should I carry on? No, I'll keep this video short. A pretty rubbish attempt there. Oh, crikey, I haven't got my name in short. Ah, my keyboard's down anyway. Can I get to my keyboard? That'll do. Right. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a quick one. And don't forget, you're never too old to game. Fitness Gamer signing out. Hell yeah. And I'll try and do better in my next one.